if you will not going to do it, then I will assign this task to anyone else. But there is a condition.
What condition?
If you will do this task within 15 days, right? Then as you are, then I can promote you. Like as you are now, and what I can say, then I can promote you if you will do this task in 15 days. Or if you will not going to do this task, then I have to
What?
remove you from our company, and I am going to hire another website developer for that. So are you agree with it?
I am the lone developer and very with a knowledge. I am the top developer of this company, and I alone can do this work. But I want
That's
some
why
more
I'm
time.
telling you now. That's why I'm telling you ki you have to do this task within 15 days.
No, I can't do this task in 15 days. I can clearly say because I have already told
So
you.
tell me, are you going to do this task within 15 days? If yes, then you should go on high position. You will be able to go on the high position. If not, then I have to take action. Like I have to
But
remove
you should give me the task which is really possible. It's impossible task to do it in 15 days.
I don't know how you can go to do it. You have to do it. But tell me, are you going to do this task or not?
No, I can't do this task. If I will try also, but then also I will not be able to complete it in 15 days.
See, I have a lot of work. So tell me, if you will not going to do this work, I'll assign this task to another one.
Okay, I want to know that to whom you will assign this task because I am the lone who left in this
Okay,
company.
I will try to someone else. Like there are many not in our company, but there are many if to whom I can give this task, and I'll after that I'll hire them.
Okay, suppose you remove me from this company and also you take.
I don't want any condition. Tell me if you are going to do this task, whether you are going to do this task or not.
Sorry, I can't do this task in just 15 days. And also, if you are removing me company, first
Then
you
I have to take action.
Yes, you take the action. You are just wasting the time, and also you will first you will search for the person to hire, and also then you will assign the task to them, and then they will also say that I can't do it 15 days. Then what is the benefit to do that?
You want me to remove you out from the company, or
Yes, as you think, but I can't do it in 15 days.
but if you will not going to do this task, I have to remove you from the company, and I'll hire someone else for that.
Yes, if you hire also, then he is not going to do it in 15 days.
As you are working for 5 to 6 years, or yes, 5 to 6 years with our company. So if I remove you from our company, then you can't able to get in any company, or you can't able to get job in any company.
I've already invested so much money in the stock market that I don't work for a less of my life, then also I can live the comfort life.
What I have to do with your stock market?
No, I am telling you.
I just want you. Are you going to do this task?
No, I can't do this work. But if I you want to take, you can take. But I can't do this work in 15 days.
Okay.
Okay.
Means you don't want promotion?
No. It means I want promotion, but yes, you are the condition you are setting for that I want to do this task in 15 days. So this is not possible.
How? But I can give this task to, if I give this task to another one, like after removing you, then if he will do this task, then he will get, but you can't.
But as I am working with this and I have the full knowledge of this field, I know that this work is not.
That's the reason. That's the reason why I'm.
Listen first.
See,
you have to listen. Okay? No, but you have to listen. As you are going to fire me, I know. The situation is that you are going to fire me. Just you have to listen. Okay? As I have the knowledge of all this field. Okay? I know that whoever you want to hire just. But this work is not gonna complete in 15 days. So I am very much confident about it.
Okay, Lee.
Okay.
Means you will not able to do this task.
I'll do, but not in 15 days. I want more time.
But I don't have much time.
So
I have a time limit. 15 days only.
No. But 15
You
days.
can.
Now you come to viewer, no one. Alvina here.
Yay!